You know, Mungang. If you are to my foreign viewers, you know, in the Philippines, rice is the main food. Yo, what's up, Mungang? So this is Edmond Chavez. So today we will gonna buy 18 kilos of rice, one sack. Basta one sack of rice here is 18 kilos. In the Philippines, the one sack rice is 60 kilos. See the difference? It's very big difference. So Mungang, I was planning to buy rice nung nakaraan pa, previous days, but laging I always cancel to buy rice kasi I always go to bar. You know, if I will go to bar, I will came back at my house, my apartments for 4 AM, 3 AM, then I need to rest, and I wake up, it's already 4 PM and the store is already closed. So ngayon pupunta na ako kasi ako, Mungang, hindi ako napapakalaki napapakali pag hindi ako nakakabili ng rice eh. Wala, shit. May disgrasya pa. Yung tatanda, oh, patawid siya pa, then yung kotse bumangga sa kanya, muntik na matumba. Yan ang sinanay, vitamins yan. Mali naman kasi ng kotse yun. Napapansin ko dito kasi, Mungang, like kung tatawid ka sa mga lugar-lugar, sa mga ganito, sa mga kalsada, yung mga Hungarians nagigibuyan sila, hindi yan sila dumidiretso, yung parang pinapatawid ka nila ba. Eh yung iba dito, yung I think dalawang beses na ako nakapag-meet ng Vietnamese na may yung parang nasasakyan siya ba. Putig niyan, putig na ako masagasaan, hindi ako pinatawid. Hindi nag-giveaway, putang ina. Kainis. So ito na. If you ask me and how much that I didn't have work, it's gonna be 3 months. Next month. It's gonna be 3 months. But it's fine because, you know, the agency, they give us basic pay, no problem. Yung reason yan, guys, bakit wala kaming alam yun, nakapag-transfer, kasi nagawa pa kasi yung apartment namin. The reason why we didn't transfer to our new company or new accommodation, because the apartment is still constructing, so that's the reason. So hindi ko kayo na-introduce, may bago pala akong kasama doon sa pag-alis ni Dexter tsaka Jumel. May bagong nalipat, si Will. Then may bago si Miko. Then kanina naman umalis na naman si Will. Sa tinapay kasi siya. Tapos may bago na namang dumating. Alam niyo yun, yung parang ako yung pinakaunang matanggal, tapos ako yung hindi pa nakakaalis. Pero wala namang problema sa akin. It's fine. I hate saying goodbyes, you know. Yung tipong parang may aalis na naman, ganito. Sabi lang sa isip ko na sige lang, ganun talaga yung buhay. So malapit na tayo, Munga. So this is the Kuban niya. Para siyang kuban. Dito ba yun? So na open. Pero maraming bintahan ng bigas ito. Peking Oats. Okay, open. So ano man raw. Diyan ako bumibili ng bigas. This one green, jasmine rice. So Mungang, ito yung bibiliin ko na bigas, jasmine rice. 17 po yun. Tayo natin maghanap kung may tanglad ba dito. Tanglad. Lemongrass. Kasi kailangan ko ng lemongrass pag magluluto ko ng lechon manok. Wala ata eh.
Ông ơi, bà Hùng đi đâu rồi?
How much? Rice?
Rồi đi chợ. Chợ đi.
You know, Mungang, if you are to my foreign viewers, you know, in the Philippines, rice is the main food. Rice is the main food. How do I say this? It's like every morning, breakfast, lunch, dinner, rice is always present. Because here in Europe is they always eat pasta, soup, bread. But in the Philippines it's really different, man. Come on. We're like just like we're like Vietnamese and Indonesian. They are also eat rice. Also Thailand. It's like if we cannot eat rice in one day, my God, our day is not complete. Yeah. Alam nyo guys, kung ba't ako nag-English Mungang? Kahit pangit ako mag-English. Kasi nakakapagod maglagay ng subtitle. Nakakapagod mag-edit. Kaya minsan nilalagyan ko ng English na subtitle. Hirap. This way. So ayun Mungang, tatapusin ko na itong video. I will end this video now. For those people who are always watching my video, and especially on YouTube, Facebook, please don't forget to leave a comment and suggestions. What are your opinions, comments about my vlog? So sa akin naman, I don't care if what's your comment, negative, positive. It doesn't matter sa akin. It doesn't matter as long as yung may concern kayo, ganito, okay lang, Mungang. Then for those people who didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Edmond Chavez Vlogs. And also I have Facebook, Edmond Chavez Vlogs. Second page, The Adventure of Edmond Chavez Vlogs in Europe. So please support me, Mungang, and always thank you always, and have a nice day. Bye bye.